What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today it's gonna be a little different because I had no access to my normal studio. And second, uh, my microphone was not working properly on three of the videos that I filmed. So, for the next three videos, including this one, so two more after this one, I'm just gonna time lapse it and speed up and just put music because I can't really re unbox it, I guess, because it wouldn't really be unboxing because you wouldn't, you know what I'm saying, it wouldn't be like as good because it wasn't like my first impressions and everything. So um, I'm just gonna stick to the original footage that I have for all three videos, and I'm just gonna, you know, fast forward through it and just put music. So I hope that's okay with you guys. It is fixed. I fixed my microphone, um, and hopefully this won't happen again. So thank you for your understanding.